In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Outlook in 3 minutes. If you're ready to keep emails and sales activity in sync, there are 2 quick ways to connect Outlook with Pipedrive: using email sync inside Pipedrive settings or installing the Pipedrive for Outlook add-in from the Microsoft App Source Store. I'll walk you through both so you can pick what fits your workflow. Let's start in Pipedrive. Look to the top right and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu and takes you into Settings, where you'll find the Email Sync section. Here, choose to connect your mailbox, sign in with your Microsoft Work or School account, and approve the permissions so Pipedrive can read and send mail on your behalf. This is essential for bringing conversations into Pipedrive and logging replies. As you connect, you can usually choose how you want syncing to work. Two-way sync means messages you send from either Outlook or Pipedrive will appear in both places, while one-way keeps things flowing in a single direction. You can also limit which folders sync if you want to keep certain messages out of your CRM. After confirming, give the initial sync a little time. Larger mailboxes can take a few extra minutes. Keep Pipedrive open and watch for your inbox and sent items to appear in the Mail tab. From there, emails will automatically link to people and deals when the addresses match your contacts. If you prefer more control, you can manually link a message to a contact or deal right inside Pipedrive. Now, if you love staying in Outlook, the Pipedrive for Outlook add-in is a great companion. Install it from the Microsoft App Source Store, then open Outlook and sign in to the add-in with your Pipedrive account. This places a Pipedrive panel alongside your emails so you can view contact details, create deals, and add activities without leaving your inbox. The add-in doesn't replace email sync, it complements it. Use the add-in to work faster in Outlook, and use email sync to ensure messages are stored and searchable inside Pipedrive. Depending on your organization, an administrator may need to approve the add-in before you can install it. To recap, click your profile icon in Pipedrive to access settings and enable email sync for automatic logging, or install the Pipedrive for Outlook add-in from Microsoft App Source to manage deals right inside Outlook. After connecting, send a quick test email and refresh to confirm it appears where you expect. If you don't see it immediately, wait a moment and double-check permissions. You're all set to keep your conversations organized and your pipeline up to date.